Namaste everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a blog, especially in blogger.com. Let me start first from the question, what is a blog? A blog is a blog is similar to any website with certain features. You can upload your article, diary, class notes, pictures, videos, web links in your blog. And in blogger.com, which is supported by Google, we can publish article in 109 different languages. And now let me talk about the 10 best free blogging sites. To create our blog or to build our blog for free in 2020, the 10 best blogs are wordpress.org, wix.com, wordpress.com, weebly.com, medium.com, blogger.com, ghost.org, tumblr.com, joomla.org, yola.com. And except this 10 free blogging site, there are some more other blogging site from where you can get the free of cost service to create your blogs. Let me talk about wordpress.org. It started its service from 2003. We can get 90 days trial version from this website, from this blogging site. And after 90 days, you cannot use your blog anymore. Um, but if you pay for the domain to wordpress.org, you can get more facilities and you can get more extended version. Wix.com started in 2006. It provides only 500 MB space in free version. Otherwise, you have to pay. WordPress.com started in 2005. It provides 3 GB space in free version. Similarly, weebly.com, medium.com. Let us go into the blogger.com. It started its service in 1999 by Google. Unlimited space. It provides all free of cost. But if you want to buy your own domain, you have to buy by paying to Google. Except this free blogging site, you can find many other blogging sites that provides you free of cost service. Let us talk about blogger.com. To create your blog in blogger.com, you have to type blogger.com, blogger, blogger.com, in the web address bar. And it is free blog provided website by Google. And all you need a Google account. You cannot open blog by using other email address like Yahoo email address. You cannot open your blog here. You need Gmail account. And by using a single Gmail account, you can create up to 100 blog in blogger.com. Today we are talking about five things here in this video. The first thing, creating a new blog. How to create a new blog. We will talk about this thing. The second thing, how to publish a new post in the new blog, or how to update, how to edit it, how to edit the whole post. Then the third thing we talk about is setting of the blog, layout of the blog, theme designer. We talk about these five things. Okay, let me do practically here. After opening the Google Chrome, type here blogger.com and press enter. After pressing enter, you can find the screen something like this. To open the new screen, it takes time according to the speed of your internet. Yeah, it opened here. I have created so many blogs by using my Google account. That's why I saw this kind of screen. This is for the old user. You can see this kind of screen, and by clicking here you can find different blog. In which blog would you like to prefer to work? You have to select any one. If you want to create another new one, you have to click here, new blog, which is at the bottom. Yeah, after clicking that, you can find this kind of screen. If you are first time user, then you will see different kind of screen. For that, I'm going to sign out. You see this kind of screen. uh, Let me tell once again. If you type blogger.com, and if you are using for the first time user, then you see this kind of screen, you know. uh, to sign up, to sign in, you see this kind of um, screen. In this screen, you see here, create your blog. You have to click here. Then you see this kind of screen. If you are using this email addresses, click anyone and put the password here. If you want to create your blogger.com using another new account, then click here, use new account, then type your uh, Gmail address and Gmail password. I'm going to create by using this one. As I'm clicking it, batuglaltamang@gmail.com. I'm using this email address, and my password is, I'm typing my password of Google. Yes, I typed and click the next button. So now the same screen you will see this. So here, to create the blog, yeah, remember that out of five things we are doing one thing. First thing, okay, we are creating a new blog. To create the new blog, we have to complete these three things. Then we can create our new blog. Title. First, we have to type the title. So um, blogging class for the beginners. Blogging class for the beginners. Suppose this is the title. Title means header also. In another word, we can call it header also. For example, here in this, in this blog, I have created before, in a couple of weeks before. Uh, the title is Nelda Bagmati Learning Group, and address is neldabagmatitutor.blogspot.com. This is the address. This is the title. You have to first, at least we have to create, you have to type these two things. All right, the first thing is blogging class for the beginners. uh, this word appears here as the title of your blog, as the header of your blog, right? Now address, whatever address you would like to type to go into your blog, you have to type that here. That is my blogging class, my blogging class, my blogging class dot blogspot.com. Blogspot.com, blogger.com provides this domain name itself. If you want to change this domain name, then you have to pay to Google. Let us select this, and Google is sorry, this blog address is not available. That means this blog address has been created by other person in somewhere in the world. That's why it is not accepted by blogger.com. Then I'm going to change it, my blogging class. So let us say Batuk blogging class. Certainly this is not taken by anyone. Batuk blogging class, and click it. Blog address is available. Okay. Remember that my website, blog site, let us say website of the blog is batukbloggingclass.blogspot.com. Whenever you type somewhere here, uh, you can enter into my blog. This will be my title of the blog, title of my blog, and you have to select any one of the theme. You can find here themes, ready-made theme provided by Google. Contempo theme, Soho theme, Imperio theme. There are altogether 12 different variety of themes. I will select the simple one. Okay, simple one, and create the blog. So now I successfully created the blog. So when we successfully create the blog, we can see the screen something like this, right? Now in this way, we have finished doing this first task, okay? Creating new blog. Now let's move into the next one, publishing a post in the blog. How to publish a new post in the blog. We will see this. For that, you have to do nothing but just click the new post here. You click the new post here, and you can type whatever you want to post in Nepali, sorry, in English text, in English font, or you can type in Unicode font. You can bring the font from here also. Yup means font. Arial, Courier. It provides only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fonts. However, these are the font provided by. But you can set any kind of default font here. So to save the time, to save the expense in the internet access, and to save the expense in data, you can you can type offline. You can type in the Word file, and then you can bring it here. For example, I have typed some sentences here in Word file while I was offline. I will I will copy it, then I will paste it here. Paste, or you can put Control V. So you have to make some kind of formatting here. Post title, you see here, post title. The post title is a an essay for high school students. Suppose this is the title, and the font and the color, the size of the font, the color of the font, the types of the font, that can be changed according to the default also, or you can select your own way also. You can see here default font or other font. For the default font, you can set it in the setting, in the setting, or in the layout, in the theme designer. Going into the theme designer, you can do it. And for this, Nepalese culture, and let me select it as Georgia font. It has 5 different sizes, is smallest. Since it is a title of the essay, I will make it large, and block, italic, bold, italic, underline, strike through, and I will change the color of the font into red color. If I want to make the words highlighted, I can use this one. Otherwise, I will leave it. If you want to paste link, click here. If you want to insert the picture, image, click here. If you insert the video, click here. It's a special kind of character. You have to click here. Jump break, different kinds of center alignment, center alignment. To put the bullet, you can click here. Number bullet, different kinds of bullet. You can do this, okay? And I will select this one. I would like to change the color into blue color, and font size normal. Okay, finish editing it. Okay, now click the button publish. Yeah, in the content, you see here, this you can see here. Now edit, for editing, for updating the post. If you don't like the blog, you think that you need some kind of changes in the post, you can click here. If you view only this post, you can click here. If you want to see the entire blog, you have to click here. If you want to delete this blog, this post, click this delete button, right? Now we have posted for the first time. uh, let us see how it looks like. Yeah, this is our first post, right, in our blog. First post in our blog, right? So in this way we publish the post. We finish the second task also. Now let us go into the setting part. Okay, setting part. To go to the setting part, you can go to the design, right? In design, you can go to, you click here. After clicking design, you can see this, setting, theme, layout, right? First, let us go into the setting. In the setting, basic setting, post, comment and sharing setting, email setting, there are so many different kind of setting. We will talk about basic setting. Title, you can edit the title here. You can add the description of the title here. You can edit the privacy here. You can change the blog address from clicking edit here, right? And for let us go practically. Title, blogging class for the beginners. This is the title. This is the title. uh, Batuk blogging class dot sport. Yeah, this is the title. If you think this title is not so good for you and you want to make change, then the way is click edit here and make some changes here and click the save changes. Okay, and in this blog, you can see here the description of this blog. But in our blog, newly created blog, we don't have any kind of description. So we want to add the description. For that, click here, edit, description edit, right here. This blog aims to share the ideas how to create a new blog in blogger.com. It's for the beginners. Yeah, you can type up to 500 characters in maximum here and click the save changes. And let us see, it's not visible here. Reload the page by clicking here. Yes, now this blog aims to, yeah, now description is here. Okay, now let's go to the blog address. If you want to change the blog address here, click edit here and make some changes. Otherwise it's okay, save it. That's fine. Permission, authors, blog authors. If you want to make other people admin, that means you have to add the author here and type the email address of that people and click here, invite other authors. That means not only using only this email address, Google account, and even by using other Google account, you can edit this post, edit this blog. At that time, you have to do this. Otherwise, if you want to be only one admin, then cancel it. It's fine. And blog reader, it's public one. If you make some changes here in blog reader. Only blog author can read it. Then click here. Public is fine in my opinion. So in this way we can make setting. For the other thing, other part, when you have free time, please go and practice this. And they are not so much important. You can practice yourself also. So we finished the third one also, setting also. Okay, and let us go into the fourth one, layout. So while going into the layout, let us talk about theme also. Theme. If you think that the theme you have selected is not good one, you have again another chance to change your theme according to your preference. So many themes are here provided by ready-made theme provided by Google. So you can select anyone, otherwise you can go. There is another place also where you can change the theme, and you can change the blog addresses, etc. That is in layout. Let me click in the layout. After clicking layout, you can see theme designer also. We are talking about layout. The layout is given here, and theme designer is given here. We have two things to do, layout and theme designer. Okay, so layout, navbar, header, cross column, main blog post, sidebar right one, sidebar right two, maybe, um, about me, blog archive. Already in the side right bar you can find these two things, and footer. So many footers are here. So you have to change some kind of layout here. By here, the fourth thing we are doing, I'm doing that. Now let me tell what is navbar. Here at the top there is a bar. This bar is called navbar, right? In the navbar you can find something, this uh, searching space here, and you can find the email address, your email address. Only the creator, only the blog creator can see this. The other viewers cannot see this email address. And here you see new post, you see design, you see sign out in the nub bar. You can change the different color of this nub bar from this layout. Let us go. Okay, for that you have to go click this edit button. Yeah, Google has provided navbar configuration. For the navbar configuration, Google has provided this off one, transparent dark, transparent light, silver, black, tan, and blue. I prefer this blue one. Click here and save it. Hmm. You see this kind of color of navbar. I have changed the color. So to see the change, reload the page again. Yeah, now like change into blue color. Okay, now header. Navbar, we finish navbar, header. Okay, in header, in setting we have already changed the header. Change the header, that means we have changed the name of the header, we have changed the this description. We are using this plain color, brown color. If you want to put picture here, any image here, you can insert from here. For that, click edit, blog title, blog description, and image. If you want to put image here, you can select any image from here and open. Then you can put it here and click the save button. But I didn't select any image because I don't like this. So crush column means uh, the place between header and main block space, that is called crush column. For example, uh, in this Annapurna result 76.blogspot.com, you can see the result. This part is called mm, heading part or title part, and this search, search, this is crossbar. This is called cross column. Sorry, this is called cross column, and this is called main part. Main part, and this is called side right bar, sidebar right. So if you want to add any kind of gadget, this is called gadget. Here in the cross column, you want to add here. Uh, Here you cannot see any kind of thing between any kind of gadget in between this header and this main block part. So if you want to add any gadget here, you have to go to the layout, then here cross column, click here and the add a gadget. Google has provided us 26 gadgets free of cost. Any of these 26 gadget you can add there, add that post. So for there, I prefer searching block search gadget. This gadget, it let the visitor search your blog. Suppose you have created more than 100 posts, in your blog, then it is difficult to find out the blog. That situation, by typing the title, possible, related word in that short space, you can find easily. You can easily find the blog post out of those hundreds of blog posts. Uh, to add that, you have to do nothing but you have to click here, this plus sign. Just click and click the save. Now it's nothing is here, but if you reload the page, you will see the change. Yeah, you can type anything here and click the search button, then you will find the uh, blog post is searched. After that, let us go into the main part, main blog post. Main blog post, that means this part, date, title of the post, and blog post. These are called main blog post, right? To make some changes here, um, at the end, you can find the date also. If you want to comment, leave the comment, you click here and you can write the comment here, and you can post the comment here by typing and publish. You can publish the comment here under this every post, under the every post. uh, this kind of setting you can make from here. Layout, in the layout, main blog post, go here, and I think everything is all right here. Number of posts on the main page. Suppose there are 100 posts, only 7 posts can be seen. 7 latest posts can be seen here. Or days, 7 days with post, that can be seen here. And the date setting is, I prefer this one. And time setting, post, comment, only 5 comment can be seen. Other comments are kept in hidden form. You have to click more one. And one more is reaction. Like in Facebook comment, Facebook status, many people can hit the reaction. The Google has provided 3 default. You can change this default: funny, interesting, cool. By editing it, you can delete this and you can make your own. For example, like, comma, love, comma, sad, comma, dislike. Okay, click somewhere outside. It looks like this, and it looks something like this. Then click the save button. Now, no reaction here. Let me reload the page. Yes, this time reaction. You see here, if you click, oh, I like this, then you click here, how many people like this, the number will appear here, right? And sidebar, let us go to the sidebar, right sidebar. According to the theme, Different kind of theme has different kind of layout. For example, in some of the theme you cannot find a bar. In some of the theme you will find you will find this sidebar right to the left, in some of the theme you cannot find this sidebar, only main post you can see. So in the sidebar, if you want to add any kind of gadget among those 26 gadget, you can add here. And after that, mm, I prefer the three very much. And the one of those three is, you know, link list. One is that you can put the link of any website, any blog, any people's blog here. By clicking that link, you can directly enter into that website or in that blog. And the another most important thing is blogs stats. It shows the number of page views, how many times the blog is viewed. It has been shown by this gadget. Let me add this here. So total page preview, all time, or last 30 days or last 7 days. I need all time viewers. And style, different styles. I prefer this style and saved. Now let me see. Nothing is here. Sidebar right, nothing is there except these two. And I will reload this page again and I will see this. Yes. So 7 times I have viewed this page. That's why 7 is here. Total page view is 7. And it will increase according to the number of viewers here. So this helps us how many times our blog site has been viewed by the people. Uh, it helps us to find that. Now I would like to add one more plug here, one more gadget here to the right sidebar. That is translate. Translate, yeah, this one. Here, already edit. Translate. Click here. And vertical is fine. Select the language. Preview. It looks like something this. Save it. Oh, nothing is here, right? Let me reload the page once again. 8. Number 8. 8 times we have visited. So it is in English, It is, this article is in English, and I prefer this article, English article, in Nepali language, translated in Nepali. I will ask, I would like to request Google to translate this into Nepali language or in any 108 languages. It helps us. For example, if you change it to Hindi, it looks something like this. नेपाली संस्कृति एक सामाजिक व्यवहार है जो विभिन्न स्थानों या समुदाय में भिन्न हो सकता है. Let me change it into Nepali. Where is Nepali? It's here. Now, संस्कृत एक सामाजिक व्यवहार हो जुन विभिन्न ठाउँ वा समुदायमा फरक हुन सक्छ. So it helps people to change the blog post in different languages and read it. Okay, this is very, very useful. If you want to return to the original version, you have to click here, show original. Yeah, now it's in original one. Okay, so this is how we can create the layout, different layout. So here I finished talking about the layout. So finally I would like to talk about theme designer. Okay, theme designer. Theme designer is in layout. I have already told that. In layout here, some parts we have already done. So other part, I request you to do yourself whenever you have free time. Try to do. You can easily do after giving some hints from me. This much hint is sufficient for you, I think. And layout, Going to the layout, let's go to the theme designer. Theme designer is the fifth content we are going to discuss today. Theme designer, I clicked it. So theme designer is the most important part of the blog to make the blog very very attractive, you know. So it has five topics here: theme, background, adjust white, the layout, and advance. So first let us talk about the theme. Again, theme, you can see the theme here. You can change the theme from here also. Different kinds of theme here: essential theme, simple theme, dynamic, picture window, awesome, watermark, ethereal, sorry, and travel. So out of this, I selected the simple one, and under the simple one there are other shop themes. If you select this shop theme under the simple theme, you will find this. If you click this sub theme, it looks something like this. If you click this, it looks something like this, something like this, something like this, something like this, right? I prefer this one. Okay. And when you make change, to save the changes, you have to click here, apply to the blog. I have to do so many things, so I will click this at last. That's why I will go to the second one, background. So here, three kinds of background you can see here. The background, side background, main background, and headers background. If you want to put picture here in the background, you can select the picture from here, upload your image, choose any picture you can select and open. You can put picture behind this writing as a background. Uh, if you want to select any ready-made picture created by Google, provided by Google, you can select anyone, you know. So many title here, title of the background. If you click this one, your blog looks something like this. If you click this one, it looks something like this. If you click this one, it looks something like this. You know, you can select this, but I don't like any of these. I like plain one. That's why I kept it none. So main color theme, it is about image. Now about color, it is in brown color. You can change any color, you know, you prefer. You can change any color. Now let us go to the adjust width. This is the entire block, width of entire block. If you increase the entire block's width, you can slide this button to the right side, or you can type the number also here. And this is the right sidebar, you know. If you want to change the position of this right bar somewhere here, you can make this kind of change. So in this way you can change the side of entire block and right sidebar. Okay, the third thing. The fourth thing, layout. You can select any kind of layout, which one you prefer: footer layout, body layout, you know. Advanced is the main thing. So many things you can change from here. Page text, that means this is the page text, and you can change in advance. There are so many things, you know, page text, background, link, blogger title, so many things. And first let us talk about page text. You can change the font, you know. These are the default font. You can select the default font from here, and you can change the text color from here. You can change the size. Three things you can change: the font, types of font, size of font, and color of font. Suppose page text, for the page text, you prefer, I prefer out of these, I prefer Arvo. No, you can see the changes here. Calibri, this Arimo, Georgia, Courier, Ariel, and Cardo. So small. Coming soon. Cuisine. It's not good. In this way, you can select anyone. Mobile. No, it's not so good. Okay, let me change into Arial one. Okay, and font size. Let me change into 14 size of the font, and the color green, green color, and background. Outer background. This is called outer background. Main background. This is called main background, where the article main background is white, and you can change the background color from here also, right? And main background white. Let me give slight color here, and oh, and header background, this one, header background, I prefer the blue one. Yes, I prefer this one. Links color, links color, the red one. Visited, after visited that link, it will change into red color, change into let us say green color. Hover color, also green. And block title, this is called block title. I will make this bigger one, and size 60, 70, whatever you prefer, and white is all right. And blogging description is color, I prefer this color. And tab text, tab background, post title, let me tell about this post title. Post title for this cherry cream soda, this in 24 size. Okay, dead header, dead header in blue color, and its background color transparency is all right. Arial or Courier, Georgia, what about Georgia? Yeah, this is fine. And size, let me do 14 size. Okay, okay. And post footer, gadgets, color of gadget in Arial, and title color black, animated alternate color, this it's fine. And images, background color, that means suppose uh, this is the image I have kept, image border, image color, image background, these are. So we are making some changes here. Background color of the image, and that is, let us do this one now. uh, Let me check it. Border color red, and caption text color blue. Okay, so I have made some changes here in theme designer, apply to the blog. theme applied. So let me reload the page and find it looks something like this, right? It looks something like this. Now this is not so good. Once again, go to the adjust button. Okay, is it all right? Yes, yes. Apply to the blog. Theme applied. Yes, I'm making slight change here. Let me reload the page once again. Yeah, it has been changed. Now I'm going to tell you all the five thing. The first thing is posting, about posting. And the first thing is posting English text, right? And the second thing is posting, you know, let me click here, new post, posting the Nepali Unicode. The second thing, Nepali Unicode. I have typed some Nepali Unicode. I have typed a poem here. Control C, Control paste here. Oh, sorry, what happened? Undo. Copy. Paste. Yeah. This is the title. I would like to change this title into red color. Font size large. I want to change its color into blue color. Post not small, normal size, right? And post title, I prefer the post title, a poem in Nepali. Publish it. So second thing you can see here, if you want to edit it, click edit here and do some changes and update. This is called updating, right? Posting, publishing, and updating. The second thing, right? Let me reload the page. Yeah, second post. The first post, I created English text. Second post, created Nepali post. Now the third thing, for that, new post. Click here for the new post, and I am inserting the image this time. Okay. For that, choose the file from here. Choose any picture from your computer. Wait for a while for the preparation and add the selection. It has different sizes, small size, medium size, large size, extra large size, original size, the biggest one. If it is very big file, left alignment, center, right, and you can add caption also. And you can see the property also, and you can remove this picture if you don't like this picture. Type here add caption. Photo taken in 2017. I have extra large one. Okay, publish. Yeah, 3 blocks I have published. So again, view the block. Yeah, red border and the blue green background. You can see here. So this is caption picture. So the first one I have text, English text I have published. The second one, and this is the third one. First one English text, second one Nepali Unicode text, the third one picture. Now let me try the second, the fourth one, that is video. Okay, uploading video. For uploading video, you have to click here and choose the video from your computer. I have a short video here. I will click it here and uploading video. It takes some time. It depends on the speed of your internet. I will write something about this. Let me try in Unicode. Yo भिडियोमा एकजना सानो भाइले मिठो स्वरमा गीत गाइरहेको छ, मलाई त मन पर्यो हजुरलाई नि. So video is still processing. I have finished typing something here. After finish processing, you have to click here and publish. Before finishing this processing video, you cannot click the publishing here. Processing the video, it depends on the size of the video. It depends on the speed of your internet. Now it finished. So now click the publish. So I have published four posts here. View the blog. You can see something like this, right? Now a video is here. If you click here, you can see the video after going into the blog. If you want to see in full screen, you can just click here. So finally, I would like to say you the fifth thing, that is creating the link, right? So whatever link you would prefer to see, any website or any video, you can click that website and just find the, suppose this is a video, this is a film, new film by from Bollywood. Let us copy it and go here, click the link here and paste the link here and display text. For the display text, you can display the link also, or if you want to say something, for example, Bagi 3 Hindi movie. Bagi 3 a Hindi movie. Okay, so in the link you can see like this text, display text. It is called display text. Inside this display text, we have put the link. So you can write something also. Yo mathiko link ma क्लिक गर्नुभई टाइगर श्राफको नयाँ फिल्म बागी भाग 3 हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. So finished. Publish it. Yes. View the blog. Yeah, it is here. माथिको लिङ्कमा क्लिक गर्नुभई टाइगर श्राफको नयाँ फिल्म बागी भाग 3 हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Click here. Now you can see the video or any website you provided in the link, right? In this way, I have shown you after creating the blog, after making some attractive design. I have talked about posting English text, Nepali Unicode text, to post the image, to post the video, to post the link. 5 things I have talked about here. I hope you learn how to create the blog. And if you create the blog after watching this video, I would like to request you to send the blog address, your blog address, newly created blog address, to my email address. My email address is batuklal123 at gmail.com. And just I want to see what type of blog you have created. Thank you very much for watching this video, and have a nice day. Bye.